Hello everyone, my name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. If you like these videos, subscribe and get notified as we have new videos come out on a weekly basis. A disclaimer, remember that trading is risky. Please do not trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Talk to your broker. Learn, practice, understand what trading is all about before going live. Today is Friday, September 11th. I have the Atlas line, which is that blue dashed line on the chart. It's proprietary software from DayTradeToWin. Provides signals, exact entries to go long, to go short. It's a program that we offer. It's included with Mentorship. And I also have the TradeScalper. As you see that short there, 33.43.50 at about 9:56, 9:57 New York time. So let me go over these signals as well as show you some live orders as they happen and the results. So the short signal on the Atlas line at 33.58.50 was a good signal. The market went down. You have to have and look at the ATR to tell you the target and the stop. You can trail a stop. Remember that if there's a news event happening about this time, about 10 o'clock, that you have to be careful with that. And we also have a scalp trade short, 33.43.50. Great trade short, 4 or 5 points made on that trade. Now we have a long, which is the TradeScalper, 33.52.25. Look at the ATR, it's roughly 6 points. So just remember that if you're taking a trade on this type of volatility, that you have to have a larger stop.
Order filled.
You can't be filled. You can't be, I should say, using a small stop when the volatility is that big. So I'm filled here on this trade long. You can have a 2-point target, a 3-point target, a 4-point target, but in reality, that distance that the market could make shows about 5 points, 5.5 points. So that should really be the ultimate target, 5-6 points on a trade like this. Now let's talk a little bit about stops. In reality, having a small stop is going to hurt you under these more volatile conditions. If the market is slow, if the market is normal, then yes, you can use a smaller stop. But use the ATR to tell you that. Don't just say, on this trade, I'm going to use a 1-point target based on what you're seeing here with the volatility. Use a stop in relationship to the current conditions. That's very important. You can't forget about that as a trader. Take a larger profit target as well when the market is more volatile, and when the market's slower, take a smaller target and use a smaller stop. So it's relative. It's relative when the market is slow. It's relative when the market is fast. So that's the reason why I have a target there. I want to be fast out of this market, out of this trade. So this is a 2.5, 3-point target. I think it's 2.5 points on this target, and I can easily make that because if the market can move 5 points, 2.5 should be very simple to make.
Target filled.
Okay, I got my target, 2.5 points. I'm done with this trade. So currently what you're looking at for today, Friday, is Atlas line short. Now this is a follow-up trade about 10:45. We have a long opportunity that's about to happen. Now how do I know that there's a long opportunity here? Well, the Atlas line has a set of rules. The rules are based off of price action. 2 consecutive candles that are closing above the Atlas line or below the Atlas line provides a signal. So in this case, this is the second candle that's about to close above the Atlas line, which means a long trade. I look at the ATR, it's about 3.5, 4 points. That should be a good target to have. And if you look at the stop, you can't have a stop. That's 1 point or 2 points. It's going to be too small to keep you in this trade. The market could easily go up or down 3 or 4 points. All right, so I'm long. I got long immediately after the signal came out. Remember, 2 consecutive candles closing is the signal to go long. 33.62 or thereabouts. If you can get a better signal or better trade, great to go long. I have a stop. I have a target. This is now going to be the 4th trade of the day when you look at both Atlas line and TradeScalper. And if you look right below where I got filled 33.59 is also a TradeScalper long. I love when I have two methods telling me long or two methods telling me short. You can take them individually. You can just take Atlas line trades or just TradeScalper trades. But I think the percentages are on your side when you have both or more than one. It could be the at the open, it could be the Atlas line, it could be roadmap. When you have two or more methods indicating long or short, really, that's a good thing. So I want to see this trade hit my target, and I think I have here a 2.5 to 3 point target, more or less in lines with the ATR. I have my stop in place, and this is included with mentorship. It starts next week, the next mentorship class. All of the software and courses are lifetime, and that way you're covered. There's no additional fees. We include everything in one package, and it's discounted as well. So instead of buying everything separately, you get a discount when buying it as a package. All right, let's not waste time with the result on this trade. 4 or 5 minutes has gone by. I want to see either a target or a stop, or else
filled.
I want to get out of this trade. And this trade was a winning trade. Now, you don't have to take every single trade right until the close of the day. Remember, it's Friday. So we had 4 or 5 trades under our belt, more than enough opportunity between the Atlas line and the TradeScalper to be up and done for the day. If you have any questions about joining the upcoming mentorship class, email me at support@DayTradeToWin.com. You can check out the Atlas line as well as the TradeScalper, the ATO, and other programs we offer at DayTradeToWin.com. Subscribe and join us during the next webinar. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. If you want to learn more about trading, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel, the next mentorship class where we cover all of these methods with lifetime licenses for the software.